How to fix mobile data is not working in Samsung Galaxy A36. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your airplane mode. After turn on your off flight mode, then go back and check your network connection works properly or not. After checking your network connection, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on general management and then click on reset. Now here you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and then click on reset settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.